Hello, and welcome back to our channel. It's Kat here, Kat and Diesel, and today I'm going to tell you what I have in this bag. In this bag we have old things and old pieces of equipment of our caravan which we either updated or replaced because they broke. So I'm going to tell you and show you what we changed in our 1995 Bailey to make it a bit more nicer, a bit up to date, and basically what you can do and how to update your old caravan using simple solutions, things which don't require much time with little effort and little investment. So I hope you will like this video, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned to find out what we've upgraded in our Baileys. We are a family of 3 living in a caravan. This is our dog Diesel taking a prominent spot on our bed. Before I start, thank you to everyone who subscribed to our channel. It's really positive. It's really lovely to see that more and more people watch our videos and more people comment. So thank you so much. Thank you for your kind messages and thank you for subscription. If you haven't done it yet, and you are interested in caravanning full-time, in working on a caravan inside, please subscribe to this channel because there will be more videos covering my lifestyle. And as you've sussed it out, yes, I do live in a caravan full-time and I work on a caravan inside. So I've been collecting a lot of junk over the last 3 years of living in this caravan, and we live on wheels for over 4 years. And we've done a lot of DIY. At first in our motorhome, then in this caravan. And yeah, I kept all these things just to show you how you can update your caravan very easily. So I will tell you and show you, wow, one by one, what we've done. So one of the first things which we had to replace was a kitchen tap. And I have to say that even though our caravan is almost 30 years old, most of these things broke down since we've had it. When we bought it, almost everything worked as it should. But as you live in a caravan full time, you know, you use things every day like this kitchen tap. Kitchen tap just was murdered by me, because one day I tightened one of those too much and I just broke it. So I had one left, and a few months later I broke the other one. So we had to replace our kitchen tap. This is the original one. We were thinking about getting something a bit shiny, getting a domestic kitchen tap, but in the end we went for another caravan plastic. Maybe not that pretty, but then we thought, okay, if we have a shiny metal tap here, we will have to replace the sink and basically all the fittings in the kitchen. So we just went with the flow. So as I said earlier, we were living in a motorhome. We also hire motorhomes for winter trips. And what we noticed in those newer motorhomes are LED lights. And that's how our adventure with LED lights started. We noticed how lovely they are and how quickly they change interior. So we bought loads of these LED lamps. We've got a shorter here. We have an LED stripe over here in the living room, which we installed ourselves. And then we had to buy this controller to power it up. So from this controller we can switch our lounge lights on and off. And we have an LED light outside as well, which is just lovely. So something similar to this, but waterproof and weatherproof. It looks really beautiful in the evening. Have a look. Yeah, so we look at those new motorhomes and we thought they fitted so many LED stripes like under each cabinet, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, under mirrors. So we just took this idea and adapted it, used it in our caravan. We bought a lot of LED lights and it's lovely, really nice. And we are going to upgrade the ceiling lights as well. Marek bought us new LED light, which will be installed here shortly. Probably we will make a video about installation. So these are fancy and they have 2 colors, and this is the switch. So that's what we like as well. So that will be coming up in future videos. If you want to see how we install this and what problems we encounter, because I bet there will be problems, subscribe to our video channel, and if you hit the bell you will get a notification when the new video appears. So another idea, apart from LED lights, another idea and another way of quickly updating the look of your older Caravan is replacing those old wooden door handles with shiny silver ones, and you can spend the rest of your life polishing them and making sure they are perfect. So as you can see, yeah, we like to update our Caravan, we like to have a nice home, but to some extent I wouldn't go to the effort and whole hassle of painting our kitchen cabinets. So this is okay for us. That's enough of an update. And I don't know if you painted your cupboards, your cabinets in the Caravan. I saw a few Caravans with painted furniture, and to be honest, it looks lovely in pictures, but in real life, questionable. I think it's a lot of work. I think it's a lot of hassle. If I'm wrong, prove me wrong and share your perspective. Have you been brave enough to paint your Caravan cabinets? Let me know in the comments, and of course let me know what kind of paint you use, so maybe I will try one day myself. Right, so which one do you prefer? Newer or older? Let me know in the comment section. Right, moving on to our pile of stuff. This is a mystery part. This is something unusual for a Caravan. I will tell you and show you where it came from by the end of this video. But what snaps quite a lot are those window arms, window suspension arms. So we lost quite a few, and actually we don't have any in this back window in the where we sleep. So this is where a dinette is. You could use this area as a dinette. It has a lovely huge window, and as you can see there are no arms left because both of them snapped. It's such a big window. We still haven't replaced them, so this is something to take to the Caravan recycling place to get replacements. Right, so in the kitchen we had this one single power socket, color matching the rest of beautiful beige and brown decor of our Bailey 1995. We wanted more sockets here, so Marek installed this lovely new shiny triple socket for us in the kitchen. So another update and upgrade in the kitchen are those vinyl tiles, and I spent 2 afternoons fitting them in, but I think it was worth it. I have an old footage to prove that it was my own work. Have a look. And please remember, if you are an Amazon customer, if you shop on Amazon, use links in the description of this video to make sure that Amazon shares commission with us. So if you want to support the channel but you don't want to dip in your own wallet, each time you shop on Amazon, use one of our links and Amazon will share commission with us, which will feed into buying new equipment and generally encourage us to make more videos. Thank you very much. Right, so that was kitchen and the lounge. We've made a few moderate updates, I would say, in the bathroom. And one of the first thing was, of course, light. So we replaced the light bulb in our bathroom cabinet. I painted the walls white, which is okay. I'm very pleased with the result. We added shelving and we added this tubular heater. Which is lovely because it means our bathroom is nice and warm and we don't have to keep the door open all the time to keep it warm. So as you could see, a bit of LED stripes, a bit of paint, a bit of time and effort, some stick-on tiles, and yeah, we are happy with this caravan. We are pleased, we are comfortable, and people often ask us, oh, you live in a caravan full-time, why don't you buy something bigger? Why don't you buy something newer, better, blah, blah, blah? Well, we feel comfortable. That's the first reason. We don't feel the need to update, to upgrade the whole caravan yet. And I believe we are having fun doing those little DIY projects and really trying what we can get out of this caravan. So as I said, work in progress. We always welcome ideas for updates. So if you have any projects in mind which you've tried yourself in your caravan and you are thinking about them, how to update an older caravan, share it in the comments, and who knows, maybe I will use your idea. I will get some inspiration from you. I hope you are getting some inspiration from me in this little video. And time to solve the mystery of the mysterious part. Where does it come from? What is it? Ladies and gentlemen, this part comes from our dishwasher. This is a second-hand dishwasher we bought, and when we bought it, it didn't heat water. So the cowboy trader who sold us this dishwasher, after some argy-bargy online on the local Facebook sites, in the end, he agreed to return the money. He gave us the money back. So I have to say, in the end, he did the right thing because he sold us a dodgy dishwasher. So we used this money to buy the heating element, and Marek replaced it. And from now on, we can wash our dishes in a dishwasher. So well done, Marek. Thank you very much. And just to make it clear, Marek is not a dishwasher engineer. And if you wonder how did we know how to fix it, how we've done it, well, we just googled it and found a video on YouTube, and following instructions from YouTube, we replaced it, and it's working. So we saved a lot of cash fixing it ourselves and not calling a professional engineer. So yeah, that's it from our home on wheels, our happy place. It's definitely our happy place. We don't care it's a 30-year-old caravan. It meets our needs. Everyone has their own little zone here, and we are happy. 2 adults and a big dog in a caravan, having a good life, a good laugh as well. Thank you very much for watching. Say hi in the comments, please. We love to hear from you, and we answer all comments. And if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to our lovely jolly channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!